Experience Manchester like never before on this 200th Nightlife Walk. The city streets are alive with neon lights, music, and laughter as locals and visitors enjoy the night. From historic buildings to modern bars, every turn reveals something new. The energy is contagious, and the atmosphere is unforgettable. Whether you're here for the nightlife, the culture, or just to soak in the city's vibe, this walk captures it all. Let's explore Manchester after dark, discovering hidden gems, lively venues, and the unique spirit that makes this city a top destination for night explorers. Welcome to another vibrant night in Manchester. Tonight, we explore the city's nightlife in depth, discovering streets, bars, clubs, and hidden gems that make this city a must-visit after dark. From historic pubs to neon-lit districts, every corner tells a story, and the energy of the city is palpable. We begin at Piccadilly Gardens, a bustling central hub where history and modernity intersect. The square is illuminated by streetlights and nearby buildings, casting a warm glow over the fountains and pathways. People stroll through the area, chatting, laughing, or taking photographs of the surrounding architecture. Street performers entertain small crowds, their music, dance, and performance art adding a lively soundtrack to the evening. The square's mix of history and contemporary energy sets the perfect tone for the night ahead. Heading towards the northern quarter, Manchester's creative and bohemian district, we immediately sense its eclectic charm. Narrow streets open into alleyways adorned with murals, graffiti art, and neon signs, each piece reflecting the city's evolving culture. Boutique shops, cafes, and independent bars line the streets, offering unique experiences from vintage clothing to specialty cocktails. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee, street food, and pastries fills the air, inviting visitors to explore. Live music and street performances create an engaging atmosphere, drawing people to linger and enjoy the district's artistic energy. Our first stop is a historic pub known for its charm and lively atmosphere. Inside, wooden beams, vintage decor, and warm lighting create a welcoming ambience.
Are you okay?
Patrons enjoy craft beers, cocktails, and traditional pub fare while live acoustic music plays in the background. This fusion of history and contemporary nightlife embodies Manchester's character, offering a space where visitors can connect, share stories, and enjoy the evening. The pub hums with conversation, laughter, and music, providing both energy and comfort. Continuing, we approach several live music venues, highlighting Manchester's legendary musical heritage. Bands and DJs prepare for performances while audiences gather outside in anticipation. Venues vary from intimate spaces with close interactions to grand halls with immersive audiovisual setups. The city's music scene, ranging from rock and indie to electronic and jazz, reflects its diverse cultural fabric. The streets vibrate with anticipation, and the faint sounds of instruments hint at the entertainment awaiting inside. Next, we arrive at Canal Street, the heart of Manchester's LGBTQ+ nightlife. The district is vibrant, inclusive, and full of energy, with rainbow-colored lights reflecting in the canals and streets. Bars and clubs spill music into the open air, attracting a diverse and enthusiastic crowd. Outdoor seating areas buzz with conversation, laughter, and clinking glasses, while DJs maintain a lively flow inside. Canal Street embodies Manchester's spirit of freedom, expression, and celebration, offering a unique nightlife experience for all. Deansgate Locks is our next destination, a modern nightlife hub featuring sleek bars, restaurants, and lounges. Industrial chic architecture, glass facades, and ambient lighting define the area. Outdoor terraces provide social spaces, while indoor venues pulse with music and activity. Patrons enjoy cocktails, fine wines, and international cuisines, creating a rich and dynamic nightlife experience. Deansgate Locks exemplifies Manchester's ability to combine style, comfort, and energy, appealing to a diverse range of visitors. Walking through the streets, we notice the juxtaposition of history and modernity. Cobblestones and brick facades reflect the city's industrial past, while neon lights and contemporary art installations showcase its evolving identity.
Who cares about that?
Street performers, buskers, and small live acts add character and vibrancy, making each step an immersive experience. The city's soundscape, music, conversation, footsteps, and laughter, creates a rich auditory background that complements the visual spectacle of Manchester at night. Approaching Spinningfields, the city's upscale nightlife district, the atmosphere shifts to sophistication. Rooftop bars, elegant lounges, and fine dining establishments dominate the area. Patrons sip cocktails while enjoying panoramic views of the city skyline, with music ranging from smooth jazz to contemporary hits. Outdoor seating areas encourage socializing, while indoor lounges provide intimate spaces for relaxation. Spinningfields demonstrates Manchester's versatility, offering refined nightlife while maintaining the city's inherent vibrancy. Quiet corners and serene spaces are scattered throughout the city. Canal-side paths, hidden gardens, and rooftop terraces offer places to pause and reflect. Reflections of neon lights on water, combined with the distant hum of nightlife, create calm moments amidst the vibrant streets. These pockets of tranquility remind visitors that nightlife is not only about activity and excitement, but also about appreciating the city's beauty and uniqueness. Historic pubs continue to enrich Manchester's nightlife. They offer spaces where locals and visitors gather over drinks, live performances, or trivia nights. These establishments preserve the city's cultural heritage while providing modern enjoyment. They are living landmarks, rich with stories, music, and social energy, giving the city its distinctive character. Food is central to the city's nocturnal life. Street vendors, late-night eateries, and gourmet restaurants offer flavors from around the world. Aromas of grilled meats, spices, baked goods, and desserts mingle with the evening air. Dining options cater to all tastes, from traditional British cuisine to international specialties, ensuring a complete nightlife experience. Culinary offerings complement music, social interaction, and exploration, fueling the night and enriching the overall adventure. As the night deepens, clubs reach peak activity. Music reverberates through streets and venues, lights flash and sweep over dancing crowds, and the atmosphere becomes immersive. Manchester's club scene is diverse, offering electronic, pop, indie, and jazz experiences. Dance floors are packed, while VIP and lounge areas provide exclusive spaces for socializing. Neon lights, lasers, and reflective surfaces amplify the visual and auditory spectacle. Manchester Nightlife is a blend of music, drinks, culture, and human connection. Architecture, history, art, and social energy converge to create a city alive with possibility. Each district offers a unique identity, from historic pubs and bohemian quarters to modern lounges and rooftop bars. Exploring these areas at night immerses visitors in the city's culture, encouraging discovery, connection, and appreciation of its dynamic nightlife. Tonight's walk highlights Manchester's diversity and vibrancy. From quiet corners and historic pubs to bustling clubs and modern lounges, the city offers endless experiences. Every street introduces new sights, sounds, and encounters, ensuring no two nights are ever the same. Manchester invites exploration, connection, and enjoyment of its rich nocturnal culture.
Very serious people on it, honestly. You know what? I can understand why you've asked me twice already.
He's 22, yeah, I'll be 20. Lobby.
This one, you can't do anything. You can't do anything, Darcy. You can play, but it's just introducing, you have to pay
Our Manchester nightlife journey concludes here, but the adventure never stops. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to follow more walks, neon-lit streets, and hidden gems. Stay connected and join us next time to experience the energy, charm, and excitement of Manchester's vibrant nightlife.